Alright, welcome back. In this video I'll be doing some advanced modeling, again using Onshape. I've got my part opened up. This one has some radiuses, some diameters, as well as a tangent line, and some fillets. Alright, so I'm going to start by clicking Create, Document, label it whatever you'd like. Just like usual, I'm going to click on Sketch, click on Front, then I like to turn these three planes off and be looking directly at it. I'm going to start in the lower left corner here. I've got a circle. These are two 5/8 inch circles. So from my center point, I'm going to drag it out, type in 5/8. Directly in line to the right of it, I have another one. In order to make sure they're in line, I'm going to use the horizontal constraint tool to line these two up, and then come back with a dimension and dimension from my center to center, 3.5. I've got another circle creating this radius on each side. It's a 3/4 radius, so 1.5 diameter. Clicking on circle, clicking on my center, dragging it out, again 1.5. Alright, so now I'm going to draw a line that connects my bottom. I'm going to free draw a line on my left side up to a flat and then back down. Alright, I still have a number of blue lines. I'm going to start by using my tangent tool to tangent this line with my circle and this line with my circle. I'm going to place a dimension from my top to my center, 1/3 or 1.75, so top to center, 1.75. I need a dimension of this line. This line is developed by this circle, this 15/16 circle. So if I double that, I get 1.875. So I'm going to dimension this line, 1.875. All right, so now I need to get this lined up by 1 3/4, 1.75. To do that, I'm going to use a line tool off my midpoint simply as a construction line. Now if I dimension from that center to my center of one of my circles, left or right, I can get a dimension, and that dimension is 1.75 or 1 3/4. Hit Finish Sketch. I'm going to turn it just slightly. Going to extrude, clicking on those three pieces, and my extrusion is right here, is 1/2. Alright, so that's that back side. Now I'm going to create this top diameter and radius. To do that, I'm going to do a new sketch on top. I have a circle that's in line with my middle. So I'm kind of coming across this line, finding that center and coming straight out from there. That circle is 7/8. I've got another circle that is the diameter of my line here, right? Remember, I had to double that line up. So this circle is going to be my 1.875. Last thing I need to do is place a dimension that goes from that back line to my center. Looks like it's 15/16. So from the back to my center. Right, but I do have this kind of corner in here, which my part does not. I'm going to use a line tool to connect the back of my object to this left side quadrant of the circle. And I'm going to do that on the right side as well. I can hit Finish Sketch, click on Extrude. Now when I do this, I do need to select everything, including those little wedges that I made. You can see it's going the wrong way, so I'm simply going to switch it. And my depth is 1/2. My green check. Alright, last thing I need to do is create this fillet. In this inside here, I have a fillet. I'm going to use the fillet tool, and it is 3/8. My green check, and there is my completed part. Thank you.